Crispy Sriracha Spring Rolls Recipe. Ingredients for making chicken sriracha spring rolls: 3 cups coleslaw, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 pound boneless chicken breasts, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 packages of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons sriracha chili sauce, 3 green onions, chopped, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, of spring roll wrappers, oil for deep frying. Toss coleslaw mix, onions, soy sauce, and sesame oil, let stand while cooking chicken. In a saucepan, bring 4 cups of water to a boil. Reduce heat to maintain a simmer. Add chicken, cook 15 to 20 minutes. Remove chicken, cool slightly. Finely chopped chicken, toss with seasoned salt. In a large bowl, mix cream cheese and chili sauce, stir in the chicken and coleslaw mixture. With a corner of a spring roll wrapper facing you, place about 2 tablespoons of filling just below the center of the wrapper. Fold the bottom corner over the filling, moisten the remaining edges with water. Fold side corners toward the center over filling, roll up tightly, pressing the tip to seal. In a cast iron Dutch oven or electric skillet, heat oil to 375 degrees. Fry spring rolls, a few at a time, until golden brown, 6 to 8 minutes, turning occasionally. Drain on paper towels. If desired, serve with sweet chili sauce. Freeze uncooked spring rolls in freezer containers, spacing them so they don't touch, and separating layers with waxed paper. To use, fry frozen spring rolls as directed, increasing time as necessary. Nutrition facts: 1 spring roll contains 186 calories, 14 gram fat, 30 mg cholesterol, 10 gram carbohydrate, 1 gram sugars, 0 fiber, 6 gram protein.